Hey, EA family. I just got done renewing my enrolled agent license, which will give me 3 more years of having the right to represent taxpayers before the IRS. But something else that I needed to renew is my P10. All right. So for those of you not familiar, a P10 is the prepared tax identification number. I like to describe it as the social security number for paid tax professionals. Every paid tax professional is required to have one, and every paid tax professional is required to renew it each year. So right now, mine is active, but I need to go ahead and renew it for the 2024 calendar year. Okay. So I'm just going to walk you through that process just in case you're not familiar with how to do it. Maybe this is the first time you've done it on this site. Whatever the reason may be, I'm just walking you through the process so you know what to expect when you get ready. Okay. So this is the website to get here. However, if you can't remember this, you can go to irs.gov and click on Tax Pros. And when you click on Tax Pros, you'll see P10 as an option. When you click on that, it'll take you to the screen. All right. So right now we're going to log in. And you can see, because I was just on here to renew my EA license, my information is already in. And this actually isn't where I renewed my EA license, but I had the screen pulled up because I needed to find my continuing education information. Okay. So right here, you see that they're letting me know, hey, we want to verify your identity. We're going to send a 6-digit code to your email on file. So I'm going to go ahead and click this so that they can send that email to me. And while I'm waiting on this email, if you're new to me, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Timlin Bowens, and I'm America's favorite EA. As an enrolled agent, I have unlimited practice rights before the IRS, which means that I can help taxpayers all over the world with their IRS issues. I'm also the owner of Bowens Tax Solutions, which is a virtual firm based in Louisville, Kentucky, and I help taxpayers that owe the IRS $100,000 or more, or they're actively being audited, or they have a tax lien. Okay? The reason I'm doing this video is because I'm passionate about the enrolled agent designation. And right now, I've been putting out content to help my fellow EAs to stay in compliance, but also to become better enrolled agents. All right. So I got my email pulled up on my phone. I have the verification code. Yes, I know that you guys can see it. However, it expires in 10 minutes, so I'm not worried about that. All right, so this is the P10 dashboard. It says you have items to review, which I'm positive that one message is letting me know that I need to renew my P10. All right, so right here is where we'll go to renew the P10. If I was not an enrolled agent, I could participate in the annual filing season program. This is something that tax preparers that want to go above and beyond to show that they've gotten their education for federal tax law updates. They are proficient in that. They can opt into this program. It's not required, but it will help them to stand apart if they don't have the EA credential or they're not a CPA, certified public accountant. Okay. Here you can check how many CE credits you have for the year. Here, which I really like this, it can help you check to make sure no fraud is going on under your P10. I can see how many returns were filed this past year under my P10. Remember, I said it's like your social security number, right? So that's very useful for me. It gives me peace of mind just so I can go back through my software to make sure it matches what the IRS has on file. But today we're going to renew our P10. So I'm going to click here. Now they're asking for my current mailing address. And I am going to end up clipping this out of the video. So with the current mailing address, you want to confirm that. Go to next. All right, then we're going to have our information for the business, which is your EIN number. You also want to have your CAF number and your EFIN. All right. Here you can see my professional credentials. They have not changed. So this is accurate. I just submitted my renewal. So this expiration date will be updated within the next 90 days. I have not been convicted of a felony in the past 10 years, so I'm going to hit no. Am I current with my federal, individual, and business taxes? So if you have a payment plan, that is going to be yes. Paid tax return preparers must have a data security plan to provide data and security protections to all taxpayer information. Are you aware of this responsibility? Yes. All right, so you want to confirm all of your information. Submit. The renewal fee this year is $19.75. Non-refundable. You need to make sure you read all of this and agree with it. And I apologize because I'm familiar with it. I just went ahead and clicked it, but you want to make sure if you're not familiar with this, you do actually read it. You know what it says. And now I'm going to put in my payment information. Now, we're family, but not like that. So I'm going to pause my share and put my information in. I'll go ahead and get this knocked out, right? But if you have any questions about this process, please let me know down in the comments and let me know too if this video was helpful and what type of content you'd like to see to help you in your EA journey. All right. You guys have a fantabulous day, and I will be seeing you soon, especially since you are going to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the page. Talk to you guys later.